You reached the Department of Fraudulent, and you are speaking to Mr. Alan Armstrong, Senior Technician for the shift. How are you doing today?
Yes, hello there, Alan. I've got some sort of emails here, and it told me to call this number about my Amazon. This is the Amazon department, right? Hello, can I get my refund dear? I
Like what
didn't
refund you're
purchase
talking
it,
about?
dear. There's some sort of payment made on my account. I need it refunded, please.
Oh, okay.
It said
See,
to
at this
call this
point of
number if
time, the
I needed
refund
any
cannot be
help,
done.
dear, and I'm really afraid right now
See, I
because I
totally
don't have
understand, but
enough
at this point
money
of
to
time, the
pay for
refund.
it. But pardon me, dear?
All right, fine, fine. See, I want you to help me out with your first and your last name. Can you do that?
Yes,
Is it
dear.
Mora?
No, dear. My first name
Yes,
is.
Mora?
No, dear. That's a very beautiful name. I wish my mother had named me that. But I have a name. My name's Jennifer, dear.
Okay, your first name is Jennifer. What is your last name,
Yes,
Jennifer?
dear. My last name's Westfield.
Jennifer Whitfield.
Westfield, dear.
West like the direction west.
Yes, dear. You got it.
All right, Jennifer. Jennifer, my name is Richard, and I work for the Amazon department. You
All
receive a
right.
call today so that we can inform you that there is an order placed from your account for iPhone 12, what is 258 GB, 56 GB graphite in color, which is going to cost you $1,099. It is going to be delivered at your place, and once it is going to be delivered, you have to pay for that. Okay?
Dear, I receive a small amount of money every month. I receive about $700, and that's to take care of my
Oh,
medical
you receive only
bills.
$700 a month,
Yes, dear, I don't even have
so you
that
pay your
much.
medical bill from $700.
Oh, well, my medical bills aren't 700 because some of them are covered, dear, with my pension, but I do have to take care of some of them, and then I have to pay for my medications partially as well. The government does help out a little bit. Thank
Okay.
God. I would be a little royally
Okay,
messed up
Jennifer.
here, dear.
Jennifer,
I
listen to
don't
me.
have the money for this, is
Listen to
basically
me.
what I'm trying to say, dear. I really don't.
Yes, yes, I totally understand. Jennifer, if you will give me a chance to speak, I will explain you slowly, okay?
Pardon me, dear, I'm just really nervous right now.
So, Jennifer, I totally understand that you are not aware that someone has ordered an iPhone worth $1,099, right?
Dear, but that wasn't me. How did this happen on my Amazon?
Because, Jennifer, I believe that this is totally in case of identification theft. Because,
Oh,
as I'm checking in
gosh.
my system, your account has been logged from 10 to 12 different locations,
Oh, my God. How many
and
more
that is the reason.
orders were made if they logged in 12 times? Did they just make one order? I only saw one on the
I
email there,
really,
dear.
yeah, Jennifer, I really have no idea how many orders have
Oh,
been placed,
God.
but this is the first one.
All
And
right.
as you said that you are not aware about this order, and I checked in my system that it has your device, your account has been logged from 6 to 7 device, almost from more than 8 to 10 different locations.
Oh, my God.
It seems suspicious to me. So I
Yes, I
totally
only have
understand
one
that this is
device
in
here,
case of
dear.
identification theft. So I totally believe that this is in case of identification theft, and someone is trying to hack your account. Someone is
Oh,
trying to get
Lord.
money out of your account. See, Jennifer, you seems to me a genuine person,
I think I'm
and
about
I
as
wish I
genuine
can
as it
help you
gets,
out.
dear. Thank you. Oh, bless you, dear. Thank you.
So Jennifer, I'm going to help you out. You want me to help you out?
Please, dear. Yes, please.
Okay, you have to listen to me carefully we are going to like build a firewall around your device. So we are going to put a stop on
Okay.
all these fraudulent activities.
Oh, that's a
Okay.
relief.
So
Oh,
which
oh,
yeah,
thank
so
you,
which
dear.
phone you are using, Jennifer?
Well, right now, this phone here, I got some. I don't really know. I'm not really a phone person, you know. I'm not really that much of a tech
Is it
person.
iPhone or is it Android?
My grandson, he uses, I think, an iPhone or something like that. I have right
No.
now. I'm using the
Which?
phone that my husband and me use. It's the home phone I'm using. I have my home phone,
Okay. Is
and
it an Android phone?
dear, it's a like a small little brick phone that I plug into the wall. I have this, and then I
Okay.
have my
So
laptop.
does it has an internet access in it?
Well, not my phone, no, but my laptop does. That's how I use my Amazons. Are these people able to go on
Okay.
my laptop then, dear?
Yes, definitely. They can go to your
Oh
laptop
my
and they can
god.
get all of your money from your account.
Oh god. Dear, I have all
I
my bank and stuff on my thing there. Oh no. Oh
I am
lord.
going to tell you. I am going to tell you how you can stop this, okay?
Dear, I don't have much money, but if they take the little money I have, I can't lose it, dear. I really can't.
I will explain you how you can stop this, Jennifer.
Oh,
You
thank
just
you,
have to
dear.
listen to
You're
me
a
carefully, okay?
lifesaver. Oh my God, thank you.
Yeah. But Jennifer, make sure we are not getting disconnected because if we get disconnected, the hacker and the person who is trying to get money out of your account, he will be aware and he might take a step
God.
to get money out of your account. So make sure we are not getting
All right. So
disconnected,
as
okay?
long as I'm on the phone, then I'm safe. Okay. Thank you, dear.
Yes, yes. Now you get me. Now, Jennifer, I I wanted to tell you like in order to do this cancellation process, which is a bit lengthy process. Okay, I will guide you step by step. Like you have to buy a blocking card. Now, do you know what this blocking card is?
No, dear. I don't think I've ever heard of a blocking card before.
Okay, I will explain you. Just listen. Now, these are the cards which are available at your nearest Amazon store. All you have to do, you just have to go to the store and you have to purchase the card. Okay. Once you have the card, you will be getting the validation number with the card. You just have to validate those numbers with us so that we can cancel all the orders and we can safeguard all of your information like your identity and your bank information, and you will be getting a confirmation that yes, we are done with this activity, okay? We have stopped all the fraudulent account. All right, Jennifer?
Okay. It's not going on now, though, is it?
Yeah.
You can make sure they're not making any more iPhones come on my account there.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Yes, till
thank
the
you,
time
dear.
you're talking to me,
Thank
I
you.
will make sure that no iPhone is coming out of your account, okay?
You said an Amazon
So,
store,
Jennifer,
though. I don't know how to
yeah.
get to an Amazon store, dear.
Okay, I will let you know if you're not aware. You might be having a nearest store which has a tie-up with the Amazon store. You can easily go to the store and you can purchase those blocking cards, okay?
All right, dear. I'd like to do
So
this as
I'm going
soon
to
as we
tell you,
can,
yeah.
please.
So I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So I just need your current location, like where you are right now. Can you provide
I'm
me the
in
zip code
West
where you are?
Virginia, dear. My zip code is 25304.
It's 25304.
Yes, dear.
Okay, 25304. Okay, I'm going to find out the store for you.
Thank you, dear.
Just a minute, okay?
Okay, sweetheart.
Yes. Okay, now do you have a store called Walgreens nearby you, which is at 3801 McCorkle Avenue Southeast?
I do believe there should be a Walgreens close to me, dear. Is that where I get
Which
the
store is nearby you? Like,
blocking
which
cards,
store do you
dear?
know? Yes, yes, you will be getting it there. So
Oh,
you know
okay.
where this Walgreens store is?
Yes, dear, I can get there in about, usually takes me about 10
Okay, fine.
minutes.
So 10 minutes. Okay, so Jennifer, what I want you to do, I want you to put me on speaker and get dressed. Take all
Alright.
of your stuff, all your ID card, driving license,
What do I
and I
need,
want you
dear?
to leave to this store. I want you to put me on speaker first,
Alright.
okay? And I want you to and I want you to take all of your stuff, your
Okay.
ID card, your driver's license,
Alright.
get
ID.
dressed,
That's all in my
take your
purse
phone,
here.
and once you are in your car, just let me know, okay?
What
And
did
make
you
sure
say,
we are
dear?
not getting
What
disconnected.
should I let you know?
Once you sit in your car and
Once
start
I
driving
sit
to the
in what?
Walgreens store, just let me know, okay?
Pardon me, dear. You said
Sit in your car.
once I sit in Terry Maki Lore or
In
Terry
your
Darima Lore? Chutan? Chutan trying to scam old lady, huh? Punjabi Munda, you're a little boy doing a little boy game, huh? You don't even know what you're doing, man.